Hello YouTube. Today we're here in Monte, basically the San Gabriel Valley Airport, for a plane. I guess that when it landed, the front gear ended up failing, and it's stuck on the tarmac on the airstrip. So apparently the airport has been shut down for some time because they can't get that plane out of the way. So they want me to lift up the plane, and I guess they're gonna put some type of dolly or gear under it to get it away.
So I think if we can lift it and extend the gear, lock all three, then it should just plant on its gear, and we can just roll it on its own wheels.
Okay.
So that's the thought.
Okay.
It just needs to get high enough that the gear can swing out.
Okay. Approximately how many feet? What do you think?
The belly probably needs to be yay.
Okay, so like 4.5 feet basically, give or take.
So yeah, it's a little bit higher than it would be on the gear because the gear sweeps lower than it sits, if that makes sense.
Okay. Okay. The times that I've lifted them through the wings. Is that also the case with this?
I don't think so, because if you come around back, there's no hard point here. I think you're just gonna rip the flap off.
Okay. So I guess I'll just lift up the front then. Are those the ones that swing out?
Correct.
Okay. And they swing out this way, right?
They swing forward, yeah.
Okay.
The CG of the plane is somewhere around here.
Okay.
And yeah, I mean, I don't know anything about lifting planes, so I mean, I just gotta assume that you put it on a bulkhead, but I'm not sure where you can, like, if you want to have it in front of the wheels, it would be like right here, and maybe by the firewall. I don't know. Oh, well, the front gear is, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I guess I'll grab it from here.
Or it's possible you can put the strap.
Well, this has to swing this way, right? So I can't put anything on this
side. The strap can go over the wheels, and the wheel they can.
Oh, in between here. Okay, I get what you're saying. Well, I mean, it would make no sense because it would hit here. It would have to be behind here. Okay, so I'll grab one from here. There's no sensitive instruments, right, that I could hit? Like no antennas?
There's
just this one?
On the bottom, but they're probably gone now.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. I'll put one there, and then I'll see on the opposite end here.
Yeah, that's a good spot.
Okay. I'll put it in between here. Obviously, we'll close the doors in.
Yeah, the door doesn't want to stay closed in this configuration.
Okay.
No, we want to take it back to his hangar.
Okay.
So you'll drive it with it?
What do you mean, drive with it?
Can you drive with it?
Well, he's saying that he's going to lower the thing, right?
Well,
that's the first plan?
Yeah.
If it doesn't work, then I'm going to have to somehow grab it, but I don't know how I could grab it from the side and drive with it. It would have to be towards the back.
Yeah. Well, worst came to worst, we could take it over there and set it in one of the places.
What we'll do first, the thing we'll try first. Hopefully that works. Need to back up a little bit. For these, I'll use my my Bailey's straps.
You can help with anything, let us know.
Sure, thank you. Can you pass me the other strap? I just want to see how...
From underneath?
Yeah, how tight. So... Oh, did you push it through?
Oh, do you want it?
Yeah, I want it through, so I could pretty...
Both of them?
Yeah, just put one of them, yeah. There you go, thank you. Okay, pull it through. Can someone just pull it through real quick? Yeah. Right there, that's fine. Yep. Yep. See the other one? Yep, that's fine. Okay. That's fine right there. I have to put this one. There you go. Watch your fingers. There you go. Okay, so who's gonna be going flipping it down? You or someone else?
He's the pilot.
Okay.
We will probably both.
Are you gonna be flipping it down?
The landing gear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I'm almost ready.
He's a YouTuber.
No. Ready? Let me know when, okay? Just tell me where to balance it out, okay?
Okay.
So right now I'm lifting the rear. Put more slight pressure on the...
And in general, you just want it kind of level, like, it sits pretty level, like fuselage parallel to the ground.
Let me know how high.
That's probably good.
Okay.
You want me to go in there and?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me know when to bring it down.
Hold them out while you, if you can lower it gently.
Oh, okay, for the
and
pressure.
then once it sits, it'll over center.
Why don't you grab the other side?
Okay, I get what you're saying. Okay, it's going down.
Brandon, good. Yeah, I'm good here too. Real down.
Will it hold right there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Say.
Okay.
Yeah. Once it's on the wheels, they can't. Like, its own weight is holding it over center.
Okay. So what failed was that front portion? Is that what you said?
The whole, they lost hydraulics in the air.
That's what
in terms
happened.
of what failed, yeah.
Okay.
There was no hope. You see all the hydraulic fluid on the ground.
I do. I see that. Okay. Thank you, I appreciate it. So who's Mark? That's that guy?
I'm Mark.
Oh.
Brandon, he's the pilot.
Okay, who's the one that's going to be paying? He is?
He is.
He is, okay.
So the only way to
That was easy, huh? Hey, do you know why there's only one seat in a cement truck? I'm a general contractor, so every time they show up, I said, do you know why there's only one seat in the truck? And they go, no. I go, so the driver knows where to sit.
That's funny. That's a first one for me. Are these planes pretty expensive?
This plane
30,000?
This plane here is probably about 120 grand.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, the 172s around here, 85 to 100,000.
So this is a bigger plane than the 172?
This is a 177.
Okay.
But it's got the retractable gear, which, it's kind of dangerous, especially this kind.
Yeah.
It's not the big hydraulic, that goes up and everything. It's still hydraulic, but
yeah,
this is pretty Mickey Mouse. Like this, I don't know exactly. This plane's probably around like a 1971 or 72. But most of the planes around here are in the 60s. I got a 140 tail dragger of mine. It's a 1948.
Oh wow. It lasts a long time, huh?
And then a week ago, you can't see it, but it's the plane. It's tethered over here. It's got like rainbow colors on it.
Okay.
His boyfriend or whatever, they stole it twice, and it landed here.
Is that the same plane that they keep stealing over and over again?
Yeah.
Some guy that leaves trash in there?
It was stolen from Corona.
Yeah, okay,
They flew it all around and then landed at Brackett in Laverne, and it was it was there for a while. They found it. They reported it stolen. So then
Air control can't tell, like, hey, you know.
they take the transponders out, and then they fly. Like the tower, it closes at 8 o'clock.
So they land here at night.
Land here at night. There was one where it was tracked. You can track, you by the tail number.
Yeah.
You type in that 2174 Quebec. It'll pop up on FlightAware.
Yeah.
And you can just, on Google, just type in November 2174 Quebec.
Yeah.
And it'll show you, where he went up to Big Bear and what time he left Big Bear and here. It'll say possibly Riverside.
You think it's like a local student or something?
No, this gal. Matter of fact, I was with one.
Oh, so you guys have footage of her?
No, I talked to her.
Oh.
Yeah, but they took the transponder and they took the radios out and everything, so they weren't being tracked.
Yeah.
Are you talking about the plane that keeps getting stolen?
Yeah, I kept hearing about that.
That's hilarious. I don't understand what's going on.
Cool. Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, likewise.
All right.
Thank you for
All right, well, thanks for everything.
Thank you, man.
All right,
I appreciate
we'll see you
it.
later.
Right,
Be safe.
Saturday, yeah.
All right. Just go head out the same way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone needs to let you out.
Yeah, that way, because I'm not really familiar with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go around and then, you're going to end up by
Pretty much where the beacon is at, right?
Yeah, the
All
gate's there.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, guys, so we're pretty much done here at San Gabriel Airport. Peace.